So friends, if you are an iPhone user and if you don't want anyone to access your Apple ID like this, then you can set a lock or you can lock your Apple ID in your iPhone. Now, how can you do that? See, I'm going to guide you through each and every step, but before that, if you're new to the channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Let's start the video. Now, the very first thing you have to do is just simply open settings option in your mobile phone, and currently you can see if I tap on Apple ID, I am able to access it. Now, how can you lock it? Simply open settings, go down and look for screen time option, select screen time, again go down and this time look for content and privacy restrictions. Select that option, make sure this toggle is on. Initially it might be off like this, tap on it, turn it on. Once it is on, go down and look for allow changes to. Now in that you get an option of accounts over here. Currently it is set to allow. Select that and set it to don't allow. This time if I close settings and again if I go in settings, you can see I won't be able to access Apple ID. So if I tap on Apple ID, you can see nothing is happening. Now, if in case in future if you want to access your Apple ID, then again go to screen time, go to content and privacy restriction, make sure that toggle is on, go down and this time make changes to accounts, set it to allow. Now if I go back, you can see I'm able to access my Apple ID. So just in case if you don't want anyone to access your Apple ID, you can lock it. So this is how simple it is to lock Apple ID on your iPhone. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I will see you all in the next one. Thank you.